So Vine, which warrior are you?
I'm Redneck, the guy with the shotgun.
What other weapons do you have?
I got this pistol right here.
Hi, Mom! Okay, now what warrior are you, Chance?
I am big man with big gun.
You have any other firearms with you?
No, I do not need.
So are you on the big kids or the little kids team?
It's the big kids.
And what are you on?
I'm on Harrison's team.
Okay. Harrison.
No one's using the AK?
Harrison.
2-foot rivals.
Harrison.
Yes, sir.
What type of warrior are you?
A beast warrior, an awesome warrior, a cool warrior.
Did you just say a beast warrior?
I like the beast part. That one sounds good.
What's your
right.
nickname?
The beast. I don't know. I don't have nicknames.
Alec.
I don't have
Alec. What type of warrior are you?
I'm a handgun specialist.
Handgun specialist. What other firearms do you have with you?
I don't like nicknames.
Got 2 P99s and Uzi.
That's interesting.
I'm Vicky.
Where'd we? Oh,